This is really just a test, because people mentioned that live coding was a thing. So here's me doing some live coding. Here's me specifically doing the kind of live coding that involves cursing at Z80. Z80 is something that probably shouldn't exist, as evidenced by the fact that this, which is my attempt at writing a music routine, has now decided to crash because I added a new command to it, even though that command should never run. Comment it out and see if that makes any difference. It works, which means that just by existing, those 2 bytes ruin the whole thing. I have no idea why that's happening. How lovely. As if I put those back in... Now it resets the machine after the first loop. Great. Obviously it's going to be something to do with this. Alright, now unfortunately the emulator that's built into this doesn't actually emulate the sound chip. So I'll just have to breakpoint it in silence. Mask off command 0 is right. Command vector table 81B3, that's correct, 81B3. C8 is 0. Jump HL 81B3, it should take us to 81B7. It didn't. It took us to 81B3. Ah, this will be bloody Z80 heaven, giving me incorrect information again, telling me that HL is the address of the address. Well, it's not the address of the address, it's just the address. This is the kind of nonsense you end up doing all the time when you're trying to code an assembler. So, we don't need BC anymore. So, I need to get the address out of the vector table in. So, okay, load BCHL. Technically illegal, but it puts in a double step opcode for that. Probably now going to get told I can't do this. Load L with what's at location BC. Yep, can't do that. You can only remote load the A with those, I think. I could leave it in HL, I suppose, and just build it in BC. So load C with the location of HL. Yes, you can do that. HL is special. Get rid of that. Pointless now. Go to the next byte. Load B from that. Then copy it back again. Because you can't jump to BC, you can only jump to HL. Right. Also, this assembler doesn't save when you press assemble. It regenerates your object code, but doesn't save your source. Better. Right. Got to test that new command actually works. Where's our pattern? First phrase, so after that, let's say, after no steps, reset loop position. Syntax. I thought it says in the documentation that Zeus doesn't care about the locations of carriage returns. That's 2 pieces of wrong documentation in 5 minutes. Make bond again. Oh, sorry, that's because I put in the wrong address. Okay, that should be 81. Oh, make bond again. That's because I put it. Seemed like it was slightly glitching there on the loop. Yeah, it's... oh, hang on, is this because of the loop timing? Yeah. Try changing it around to that. Okay, that's correct. Oh, the command's working correct. It might not sound that good, but it works. Get rid of that now. Get points if you recognise the song, by the way. Right, what else did we want to do? Currently, we've got loop and set loop address. We want to do set instrument, yes. Right, that would be byte 2 then. Pop HL to get back the command address, increment it by 1, that'll be the instrument address. Load BC with, hang on, yeah, we can use BC, BC's free, load, smallest by first, so C first, HL, B, HL, and then load IX plus instrument BC, and load an address with HL because we just moved it on. Okay, well that's okay. I mean, I hadn't actually put any instrument change in, but that's okay. It just shows I hadn't broken it just by adding the command. So let's change this to basic curve there. So okay, that's the first phrase. So DB82 BW so I should switch between the two in the middle. Right, come on. Is it playing the release? It is playing the release because you can hear the difference between the notes, I think. I'm going to check that in. Fast, I think I quickly learned you really want to use version control on this because of the tendency for small changes to break everything. Right, I think that's all we need for a test.